Hello, my dear friends. Welcome. My name is Rimi. I am your host for today's episode. I am so happy, so glad, and so excited to welcome you here today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for listening to my voice. Today, we are going to start a very beautiful journey together. We are going to practice English. This is a safe place to learn. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn. In this first section, we're going to talk about a very important topic. The topic is how to introduce yourself in English. Introduce yourself means telling people who you are. When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say? What is the first step? The first step is your name. Your name is your identity. It is who you are. Let us practice the most simple way to say your name. Listen carefully to my voice. I will speak slowly, very slowly. You can say, "Hello, my name is Rimi." Let us repeat that together. Hello, my name is Rimi. Now, I want you to try. Do not say my name. Say your name. If your name is Alex, say, "Hello, my name is Alex." If your name is Maria, say, "Hello, my name is Maria." Let us practice together. I will pause, and you will speak out loud. Ready? Very good. Excellent. That is the perfect start. There is another way to say your name. It is also very short and very easy. You can say, "Hi, I am Rimi." Let us repeat that. Hi, I am Rimi. Now you try with your name. I will pause. Wonderful. Both ways are correct. Both ways are beautiful. You can choose "my name is," or you can choose "I am." They mean the exact same thing. When you say your name, the other person will also want to tell you their name. To ask for their name, you can use a simple question. The question is, "What is your name?" Let us break it down. What is your name? What is your name? Let us practice saying the question. Repeat after me. What is your name? One more time slowly. What is your name? Great job. Now we have a small conversation. Let us pretend we're meeting for the first time. I will speak first. Then you will speak. Rimi. Hello. My name is Rimi. What is your name? You. Wow. That was beautiful. You just had your first conversation in English. After someone tells you their name, it is very polite to say something nice. In English, we say, "Nice to meet you." This means, "I am happy to meet you." It is a warm and friendly phrase. Let us practice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Let us say it together smoothly. Nice to meet you. Now, let us put all of this together into a small practice block. I want you to listen to this full circle. Hello, my name is Rimi. What is your name? Nice to meet you, John. Notice the word "to" at the end. Nice to meet you too. It means me as well. Let us practice this section one more time to make it perfect. Repetition is the secret to learning English. Listen and shadow my voice. Hello. Hi. My name is, I am. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You are doing amazing. This is the end of section 1. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for section 2.